Pet peeves. What is your biggest pet peeve? Something that really, really bothers you? What small things drive you crazy and can't stand? Here are some that many people have as pet peeves. I hate it when drivers signal to turn but then don't turn. Socks with sandals drive me nuts. I hate it when I see parents spanking their children. I can't stand it when people interrupt me when I'm speaking. I hate clean freaks. You know, those people who wash their hands every 5 minutes. My biggest pet peeve is people who don't pick up after their dog poos. I can't stand it when people have no fashion sense and wear mismatched colors. My biggest pet peeve is when people don't cover their mouth when they cough in public. I hate people who chew gum with an open mouth. Yuck. I can't stand people who slurp their noodles in spaghetti. My biggest pet peeve is the screeching sound of nails on a chalkboard. It bugs me when people, usually men, leave the toilet seat up. How rude. What things do other people do that bug you and drive you crazy? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.